What causes loud noises after lightning? A thunderstorm is a series of several continuous lightning strikes. Very high between cloud and cloud or between cloud and earth lightning occurs when there is a voltage difference. Even if the voltage difference of a lightning bolt is in the billions of volts, it is not possible to travel very far through the atmosphere. It is estimated that the current flowing through a lightning rod is approximately 10,000 amperes and travels at a speed of 10,000 kilometers per second. Thus, when there is a massive electric current, the air heats up to 30,000 degrees Celsius. Thus, heated air thunderstorms are caused by shock waves generated during rapid expansion.